Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. The coupon will be automatically applied for you. Now, let's dive into today's topics. In the dynamic world of web hosting, finding a reliable and affordable solution is akin to striking gold. Bluehost, a leading player in the hosting arena, is making waves with its enticing 2024 coupon code deal, an impressive 82% discount on hosting accompanied by a complimentary one-year domain. Let's dive into the details of Bluehost hosting and explore the benefits that make this deal a game-changer. What is Bluehost? Bluehost, established in 2003, is a powerhouse in the web hosting industry. With a robust infrastructure and a commitment to user-friendly services, Bluehost has become a trusted choice for individuals and businesses seeking a platform to establish their online presence. Benefits of Bluehost hosting: 1. Free one-year domain. One of the standout features of Bluehost's current deal is the provision of a free domain registration for the first year. This means you can personalize your website with a unique domain name without incurring any additional costs. A personalized domain adds professionalism to your online presence and enhances your brand identity. 2. 82% discount on hosting. The centerpiece of the Bluehost 2024 coupon code deal is the whopping 82% discount on hosting services. This significant price reduction makes premium hosting accessible to a broader audience, allowing individuals and businesses to enjoy top-notch hosting features without straining their budget. 3. Free SSL Certificate. Security is paramount in the digital landscape, and Bluehost prioritizes it by including a free SSL certificate with its hosting plans. The SSL certificate encrypts the data exchanged between users and the server, ensuring a secure and trustworthy environment for both you and your website visitors. Why choose Bluehost? Beyond the current coupon code deal, Bluehost offers several compelling reasons to choose their hosting services. User-friendly interface. Bluehost's intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners to navigate and set up their websites without the need for technical expertise. Reliable performance. With a robust infrastructure and cutting-edge technology, Bluehost ensures a stable and high-performing hosting environment for your website. 24/7 customer support. Bluehost's dedicated support team is available around the clock to assist with any technical issues or queries, ensuring a seamless hosting experience. How to avail the Bluehost coupon code deal? Visit the Bluehost website. Choose your hosting plan. Enter the coupon code at checkout to enjoy the 82% discount. Enjoy the benefits of free domain registration and enhanced hosting services. In conclusion, Bluehost's 2024 coupon code deal presents a golden opportunity to harness the power of premium hosting at a fraction of the cost. With a free one-year domain, an 82% discount on hosting, and a complimentary SSL certificate, Bluehost is not just a hosting provider. It's a gateway to an enhanced online presence. Seize the opportunity, enter the coupon code, and embark on your online journey with Bluehost today. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jesus bless you. Thank you.